It's your boy, Ali C, checking in. I talked this dude into laying in the blizzard, doing snow angel. Here's what he's looking like, and we're going to throw firecrackers at him.
What up?
Dude's in the Snuggie. Dude's in t-shirt and shorts. Greg, a.k.a. Callie, throwing firecrackers. My boy Shawnee C, throwing firecrackers. My boy Quinn, he's here for the ride just to enjoy the laughter. So, here it goes.
Holy shit!
Whoa, don't get caught, man. Hold on. Let me light my cigarette. I gotta hold this, man. Somebody hold my phone. You cold?
A little bit. It's cold, man.
Let's get it.
Alright, y'all go out there and throw the firecrackers. I'm gonna watch him. Give Quinn a couple. Yeah, man. Or, hey, right there in the parking lot. I ain't taking it.
Hold it.
Drop it.
Dude's in flip-flops.
No way.
Get him, Snow Angel.
Give me one.
Alright.